The question says about the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to z plus 1, z plus 3 by 1. The plane 3x plus 4y plus 6z plus 7 is equal to 0 is rotated till the plane passes through the origin. Now 4x plus alpha y plus beta z is equal to 0 is the equation of the new position. The value of alpha plus beta is. The equation of the line is given in symmetric form, which is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to z plus 1 by 3. From this symmetric form, we can find out the direction ratio of the line, which is d vector 2 comma minus 3 comma 1, and a, which is a point that lies on this line, 1 comma 2 minus 3. The plane is also given to us in the question. Suppose it is P1, 3x plus 4y plus 6z plus 7 is equal to 0. It is given that the plane is rotated about the line. So let us check if the point A lies on the plane as well. So 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 plus 6 into minus 3 plus 7, 3 plus 8 minus 18 plus 7 is equal to 0. So it is verified that the point A also lies on the plane. It is given to us in the question that the new equation of the plane passes through the origin, which is 0, 0, 0, and we just verified that A also lies on the plane, 1, 2, minus 3. So we can form a vector joining the 2 points O and A, which is 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 0 plus 3. OA vector is minus 1, minus 2, 3. Now the normal vector, let us find the normal vector of the plane, which is perpendicular to OA vector and D vector. To find the normal vector for the plane, we will do the cross product of any two vectors which lie on the plane. So we know OA vector and D vector. So make a determinant ijk minus 1, minus 2, 3, and D vector is 2 minus 3 into 1. Minus 2 plus 9 minus j into minus 1 minus 6 plus k into 3 plus 4. 7 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 7 k cap. This is the equation of the plane, which can also be written, let us write it in the simplest form, x plus y plus z is equal to 0. In the question it is given that the new plane is of the form 4x plus alpha y plus beta z is equal to 0. So we can rewrite it as 4x plus 4y plus 4z is equal to 0, which means the value of alpha plus beta is 4 plus 4, which is 8. Thanks for watching.